Welcome home bakers to another episode of my YouTube channel Basic Home Baking by Myrna. I hope by now you have liked and subscribed, so I'll be more inspired to give you a new yummy recipe every time. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make another special kakanin, the maja ube. Maja ube is made with a mixture of coconut milk, condensed milk, evaporated milk, butter, sugar, thickened with cornstarch, and made extra delicious with the addition of mashed ube or purple yam. This will probably be the best maja ube that you will ever taste. Okay, let's start. The ingredients are 3 cups of mashed ube, 1 cup of white sugar, 1/2 can of condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 1/2 cups of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of butter, 4 cups of coconut milk, and for the color, PRIMERA ube flavor and ube extract. Of course, we have the prepared pan lined with banana leaf and then greased with coconut oil, the one from the LATIK. Stir occasionally. This is done. We're going to use this food processor to process the ube so it will become fine and smooth. Put half of the mixture. And then half of the coconut milk. Add the other half of the grated ube, then half of the coconut milk. Add 2 cups of coconut milk. Then we're going to cook this over medium heat. Add the sugar. We're going to mix the cornstarch and the evap. Okay, we're going to cook this over medium heat. Add 1/2 can of condensed milk. Then, PRIMERA ube for color. Ube extract for more color. For more color and flavor. Then add the mixture of cornstarch and evaporated milk. Lastly, add the butter. This is done. Going to brush with coconut oil from the LATIK. Press the top, make it shiny. And then top with LATIK. Now look at my maja ube. So smooth, so pretty, and so delicious too. There you have it, my maja ube, or purple yam coconut pudding. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you on my next episode. Enjoy!